Okay, YouTube, I got the batteries. I got brand new batteries in there, so it better last this video. Now, where's this? Here it is. This is the custom screwdriver for the actual system. I think it's 4.5 millimeters, and the other one, if I recall, is 3.8 millimeters. And it's kind of like a socket, except it's custom built for cartridges and game stuff. Possibly other electronics, I'm not sure. I'm going to use the 3.8 millimeter one to open the actual case. Now, also holding it together are these two tabs right there and there. For some reason, well, I got this one actually used. A lot of the other ones I got when they were new. But see, people like to snap those off. I don't know why. Anyway, we'll get to the cracking open and taking apart. There's a weird screws. Now, on the insides of an NES game, there is no shield, RF shield apparently, and the 64 games have a shield, sheet metal shield. I'm not sure why they have them and the NES ones do not. But then, you know, you have to remove the shield, and they're just two screws there. We'll take that apart. If you have the same size screws, you can also put just Phillips on those ends so that you don't have to get out your special screwdriver each time. Here's the board. This is Majora's Mask, actually. This is what we're changing right here, just so I can play Mortal Kombat Trilogy again. Because the reason I had to do this is because I got sold a cartridge that was the case was in very bad condition and eventually cracked on me. And okay, this is Majora's Mask. And then just on the inside, a curiosity, is just another piece of sheet metal and the game. Well, actually, the game's on the chipboard, but yeah. So, we're gonna build a game right here. We're assembling it. And then just throw that piece of metal in. It's very simple. It's not even a mod, it's just changing shit around. Where'd my screwdriver go? It helps if your screwdriver is magnetic. This one is losing its good magnetic touch. So I'm gonna do it some different way. And get the other Phillips. So, Mortal Kombat Trilogy is almost complete. Just put the top case on and make sure that tab seals in. The one tab. There's supposed to be two, but somebody snapped it off before I bought this used. This game. Put those two weird screws in and 3.8 millimeters. And this all works. I think. I'm going to test the game. See if it didn't get dusty enough to work. I hope it works the first time. We'll find out. Nice and tight, except for that stupid point right there. Yep, first time.